Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a curvy canopy in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we have to make the rectangle. Start from this corner, start from this point, and then we can draw the any size of the base plane area. Then we have to click this plane, and then we have to click push and click in this plane and push it up. Okay, then we have to triple click, right click and make group. Then we can make the plane on the another side of this basic plane. We can using the line, click this line, and then we can click this point. Then we can click this height or elevation of the canopy. Maybe it's around 3.5 meter. Okay, then we have to drag to the left and place on this position. Then we can place on this point and place on this point and place on this point. Okay, we have to triple click, right click, and make group, and then we have to make the 2 point arc. Click on the 2 point arc right here. Then we have to click on this position, on this approximately in this area. Okay, approximately in this area. Then we have to click on this position. Then we can place on this position. Then we can click. Okay, so we can get the 2 point arc on the right side. Then we have to click the arc and offset it outside around maybe 160, and then we can click the line and click on this intersection, and also this position we can click this join. We can click this point and then click in this point. So we can erase some unnecessary line by click this object, right click and erase. And then we get the result of this basic plane of the canopy. Then we can delete some unnecessary line over there. Okay, then we can click this plane, and then we can select a push and click to the left side around 80 millimeter. Then triple click, right click and make group, and then we can right click and make component. Okay, the making component is make us easier to modify for further editing in SketchUp. So then we can click this move and click in this point, press Control and place on this point. Okay, and then we can type maybe around 20 slash and enter. So we can get the 20 stick of canopy. We can get the 20 column or stick of canopy. Then we can just make the cylinder. Maybe we can just draw the cylinder right there. Okay, then we can push it until this position. Okay, and then we can triple click, right click and make group, and right click and make component, create, and then we can move and press Control and duplicate it to the another position as we want, or as similar with the design as we desired on. Okay, so this is about the result. This is a basic result, and then we can adjust the material. We can use the lumber material of this um, canopy, and then we can using the another color about the bracing or about the connector of the for every single um, canopy right there. Triple click and click this color and just click this one. Okay, and it's done. And maybe you can also explore for this floor by adding some material with using asphalt or concrete. You can adjust this one, or maybe you can select the landscape material using this landscape area, and also you can try to draw the connection between the canopy and the floor by using the rectangle and using this one, and click it, push in until this position. Then you can draw the rectangle again and click this plane, and then you can click in this position. So we can get the holder and click, right click and make component and create. And you can also adjust material, you can make the material same with this connector, and then you can click in this position. Then you can move, duplicate, and then place on this position, and then you can mirror, select a mirror, and then you can click the red axis, and then so it will be automatically mirror. Okay, you can make it to be one group. You can make the both of the connector to be one group by right click and make group, or maybe you can appear about the connector, about the screw, about the connector right there. Maybe it's just for a schematic about the connector. Maybe it has three connector or more. Okay, maybe it has a three connector or more, or maybe you can adjust for the connector position for the strengthen, or the strengthen about the every single connector right there. Maybe just for example. So you can also adjust for the metal material with using this one, and then you can also make it to be one group and make group. Okay, and then you can right click and make component again and just create. Okay, so you can move and duplicate it to the another position, and then you can duplicate it to the another position also. Click by quick. You can also copy this connector. You can also copy this connector to the every single grid for every single wood right there by using this click object. Then you can select move. You can select a move. Then you can uh, click on this point, and then before you click you have to press control, and then you can click this point. Then you can click this point, and then you can type x 20 for example and enter. So you can get the more detail, and then you can delete some unnecessary um, object over there. You can extend this floor, and you can also make the floor connector by using the circle also. Then you can move it, push it up, triple click, right click and make group. Okay, you can use using that. Okay, so you can duplicate it and press control. Then you can duplicate it and press control. Okay, so you can get the strong, you can get the string connector from the floor until the until this canopy. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video, and just wait for my next tutorial SketchUp. Thank you. Have a good day.